Aisha. So today we are going to play the Bee Tweezers game. So what we have here? We have a hive to place a bees according to the color, and we have a tweezer to clip a piece. Alright, so stay tuned to know how to play. Hello, so now we are going to play Bee Tweezers. So firstly, you must to hold a tweezer with tripod fingers or tripod grabs, and then pick bees and put inside hive. Alright, according or follow the color. We try again. Hold, pinch, and put inside hive. And try again. Pinch and hold inside the hive. So good luck. Okay, now we are going to talk about the benefit from playing Bee Tweezers game. First is to promote eye coordination because they tends to play with eye and hands to match the bees. Okay, so next is to promote fine motor skill. This is when they use the clippers, the tongs, to clip with the tripod grabs ataupun tripod fingers to grab a piece. Alright. Okay, next is color recognition. Okay, from this game, anak-anak kita akan lebih mengenal color by matching the bees through the color here. Okay, so this is some of benefit from playing Bee Tweezers game. Jadi, umur yang sesuai untuk bermain dengan Bee Tweezers game adalah 3 tahun ke atas. Jadi, parents boleh try this at home and good luck. Bye!